Hello, welcome to YouTube. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to solve any quadratic equations easily using different methods. As we know, there are different methods to solve any quadratic equations. So in this video, I'm going to show you method 1. It's also known as using a formula because we're going to use a formula to calculate the quadratic equations. So firstly, let's write our formula. The formula to calculate any quadratic equations is x is equals to negative b plus or minus in radical b square minus 4ac over the whole 2a. This is the formula that we can use to calculate any quadratical equations. So let's try solving equation using this formula. So this is the quadratic equation that we're going to try to solve using the formula x squared minus 3x minus 4 is equals to 0. So we're going to solve this quadratic equation using the formula this. So let's get to it. Firstly, we have to substitute to understand what is negative b, what is b, or what is a and c. Firstly, as I previously told you in the other video, we substitute this as a, b, c. We substitute them by the constant, the numerical coefficients that we have on x squared and x. I've already explained in another previous video of quadratic equation definition. I hope you checked it out, but if you haven't, please check it out right now. So x has a numerical coefficient 3, and as we know, x squared has a numerical coefficient of 1, while negative 4 is a constant. So I'm going to say 1 is equals to a, and negative 3 is equals to b, while negative 4 stands for c. So negative 4 is for c, negative 3 is for b, and 1 is for a. After understanding this substitution for the variables, let's go to solve the equations. As the formula told us, it says x is equals to negative b. We already know that negative b is substituted by negative 3, so I'll say negative into negative 3, then plus or minus, for sure, in a radical b squared. B squared is negative 3 because I already substituted, so negative 3 in the bracket square minus 4 into a stands for 1 times negative 4 because it stands for c over the whole 2 into 1 because a is already substituted by 1. Then x is equals to negative times negative gives us a positive, so positive 3 plus or minus in a radical. Negative 3 multiplied by 2, negative 3 square means 9 minus 4 into 1 times negative 4 would be negative 4 over 2 times 1 is 2, so 2. The next, x equals to 3 plus or minus 9. Then nextly, negative times negative gives us a positive, while 4 times 4 is 16 over 2. So it would be x equals to 3 plus or minus in a radical 9 plus 16 would be 25 over 2. So x is equals to 3 plus or minus 25, and gets out of the radical, this would be 5 because 5 squared gives us 25 over 2. So now all I have to do is understand and try to solve x using a positive and a negative. So I can use two strategies for that. Method 1 would be x is equals to, let's use the positive, 3 plus 5 over 2. So x is equals to 8 over 2. So x is equals to 4. This is solution set 1. And the solution set 2 is using a negative, which would be x is equals to 3 minus 5 over 2. So x is equals to negative 2 over 2. Then x is equals to negative 1. So solution set for x could be 4 and negative 1. So when we write it, we can write x is equals to, we'll open a set, 4, negative 1. These both can be a solution for x. So this is one way of solving or finding the solution set for x. If you still think that it's complicated for you, then you can check out the next method to solve any quadratic equations, or method 2. It will be uploaded in my next video. Please check.